Stuck in endless strategy loops while competitors sprint ahead? If you're a growth manager, CMO, founder, or product lead battling stagnant acquisition, leaky retention, and missed monetization targets, this is your breakthrough. Our pack gives you channel specific acquisition frameworks: paid, organic, viral, battle tested retention playbooks for cohort segmentation, monetization models for subscription and freemium businesses, and experimentation templates for A B testing at scale. No more whiteboarding in circles, just plug and play growth that makes your board meetings way more fun. Here's what's inside the Growth Strategy Pack: channel specific acquisition frameworks with paid media blueprints and viral loop calculators, retention playbooks featuring engagement scorecards and churn prediction models, monetization modules for pricing experiments and LTV optimization, experimentation templates with hypothesis generators and test result analyzers, scaling playbooks for infrastructure stress testing and team alignment. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere: Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Strategy just got a whole lot more scientific. Installing the Growth Strategy Pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add Growth Strategy Pack. That's it. The entire workflow downloads instantly: acquisition models, retention calculators, monetization simulators, no config hell. Your next Claude Code session picks it up automatically. Your AI assistant now knows cohort segmentation patterns, viral growth mechanics, and pricing experiment designs. Just don't blame us when your growth hockey stick breaks the chart scale. Strategy mastery delivered.